Hi, I'm Gail Hodgson. Welcome to my studio. So when you come and do the Treasure Heart workshop, wow, it is fun. Anytime I've had a couple of ladies or groups of people, it's just been hysterically fun because it's a treasure hunt and everybody's super into it because they're trying to, they're composing this beautiful piece and they're looking at all the shiny baubles and bits and pearls and little flowers, and it is absolutely a delight. It's so much fun. There's usually a lot of excitement. It's very simple. I have everything all step by step, and then it's, you still, it's step by step, but you choose your own color of painting the plaque and the little heart, and then you of course choose whatever jewelry bits you want, and then it's all hot glue gun time. And then it's just, it's a blast. Everybody who's come and participated in this workshop has loved it. I mean, you're sitting there making a gift for yourself, and with the intention of focusing on your heart, your own heart, and you're taking the time to do that for yourself. It's an intentional act of valuing yourself and taking the time to do that. If this speaks to your heart, reach out. Let's connect.